Hi guys, I'm Isa. Today we're going to learn how to make a clicker game using Scratch. Okay, so first we need the sprites for this thing we have to click. So in this case, it's going to be a coin. So let me just remove the default sprites. So I'm just gonna, use this yellow circle. Okay, so this is gonna be our sprite. So I'm gonna make a variable called score. And I'm gonna say when flat clicks, so that scores a 0. And when this sprite's clicked, change score by 1. So now we'll click on the coin, change the score by 1. So let's set this down the sound effects. So we'll use the sound effects and just make it softer. So then I'm gonna go to sound. I'm gonna start the sound effect. So now the sound effect plays. So now that sound effect plays every time you click. So now let's make it get a little bit smaller when you click it. So set size to 90%. Then it's going to wait for 0.1 seconds. Set size to 100%. Instead of doing that, we can make it a little bit more smoother. So I'm gonna say repeat 5. Change size by 2. So yeah. Okay, so now I have this clicking thingy where if you click. So yeah. I'm gonna make another variable called CPS, or coins per second. I'm gonna say that CPS to 0 forever. It's going to wait for 1 second. And that's going to change the amount of coins by CPS. So for example, if it said CPS to like, I don't know, 9 every second, the amount of score you have will increase by 9. But it could make it a little bit smoother. Also, instead of that, I'm going to say repeat 10. Change score by CPS divided by 10. Okay, I was gonna say wait 0 seconds. So now it still does it, just in a smoother way. Well, but we wanted to transition smoothly between every second, not like that. So I'm gonna say change it to this instead. So now every second it changes by the same amount, but it's just that it's smoother. Now you can also change it to like 100 instead to make it even more smoother. So wait, but now you notice that it's gotta go a little bit too slow. So as it's getting too slow, I'm just gonna keep it as 10 because well, I mean it's good enough. So now it's gonna wait 0.1 seconds. Alright, so now the CPS is working properly. Alright, so we don't need this block anymore. So now we need to have this, we need to have like an upgrade. So I'm gonna say upgrade 1, I guess. I'm gonna say, okay, yeah. Give me a second, let me just zoom out a little. Okay, so I'm gonna say, to change this color to white, so I'm gonna say cost 20 CPS 2. So this one's upgrade is gonna give you 3 CP. Okay, it's gonna give you 2 CPS for $10. So I'm gonna say when sprites clicked. So I'm gonna say if score is greater than or score is equal to, so it's basically just greater than or equal to 10. Okay, it's 10. I'm just gonna use a variable named cost for this sprite only. So set cost to 10. I'm gonna put cost here. So I'm gonna make a new variable called plus CPS for this sprite only. Let's set plus CPS to 2 because it's as 2 CPS. Now let's just put it over here. And also you could like, I don't know, maybe give it a background. So I'm gonna say change CPS by plus CPS. So now, if we just click on the button, nothing happens. And if we get 10 points, when we click on the button, we get the CPS. But wait a second. Something's wrong. We'll click on the button, our cost doesn't go down. So we're going to say change cost by -10. Change cost by -10. So now, don't forget like 13. Press it. Okay, let's work. Okay, it's not supposed to change the cost by -10. It's to change your score by -10. So now, if I try again, press it, reduces the score. And then wait until you guys it again and again. So I'm gonna make another upgrade. Name upgrade 2. I'm gonna put it over here. Cost is gonna be like, I don't know, 60 or something. The CPS will be 8. I'm gonna put those variables here. Oh yeah, it's gonna change score by 0 minus cost. Okay, so now we get 10 score. So now we just have to wait until we get 60 score. So okay, I just set the score to 60. Right now score 60. If we at this, our CPS is now 10. And so now we could get more of these. So now I'm gonna make another upgrade. Named upgrade 3. Its cost. It's going to be 500. And CPS the CPS will be 15. Okay, so gonna set this to 500. It's gonna be 15. So now we have 500 score. So now if we press this button, we're gonna get, you know, all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna add one last upgrade. Okay, so I'm gonna add one last upgrade. This one, its cost is going to be 5,000. This is CPS B plus 125. So I'm gonna move it there. So now you have to wait until you get 5,000 score. So I'm just gonna set the score to 5,000. Set score to, I'm gonna set to 6,000. So now we press this button. Okay, our DPS does not increase by 125. Oh, that was a bug. Okay, so now if we press it, the CPS should increase by 125. Oh great, now its cost is what? Its cost should be 5,000. Great, now it's fixed. So yeah, it's so quickly. If we press play, and it restarts everything. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.